Hey guys, I'm here to gonna be switching out my third brake light on my 2015 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi engine, the V8. Basically what I'm doing is, if I let me climb up here, I'm gonna be changing out the stock third brake light that has the 3 light bulbs to this pretty sweet aftermarket one that I purchased through online. It's actually fairly sweet. It's got the same light scheme as the original. It's going to have the red brake light and then the 2 cargo lights, which in this is the same thing, center, and then the 2 cargo lights. The tools you need can be pretty straightforward, very simple. All you need is a screwdriver with the Phillips head on it. You can either use a manual or a power. I have a power here. And also a flat screwdriver, so you can go ahead and disconnect it. So let me go ahead and start taking everything apart. Okay, pretty much straightforward. Take those off. I always put them to one side, at least I know where they're at. Now, from what I understand, the reason why these are switched out is because there's been a little problem with the seal, where water actually gets into these lights. That's why the lights burn out prematurely. So all you do is you take them off. See, there's your 3 lights with the 3 light bulbs. In this case, all you really have to do is disconnect this particular plug here. And all you do, that's if you need it, you can use the screwdriver, put it through there, disconnect it. Put it off to one side. You grab your new one, feed the wire through there. Run the yellow one through. I don't know what that's for, but go ahead and run it through. If anyone has any answers as to why this one is here, feel free to leave any comments in the description, but nothing nasty, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in. You pull this other plug out. Of course, if it doesn't come out, just catch it like that. Okay. There we go. There, it's connected. Again, run all the wires like so. Plug as well. Bear with me, I'm only using one hand. Okay. Now what you do, peel back on the plastic. Make sure that those are, when you run, you're going to use the same screws as you bought. Don't drop them like the way I did. Okay. Try to put this in without dropping it as well. Okay, there we go. Got one side in. Now I gotta try and find the other one. See it there, and I gotta see how I can try and get it. Hang on a second. Okay, I was able to get it. The best thing to do, try and hold it there. Feed it in through there. Slowly. Make sure that it's secure. Tighten both ends different times. There we go, just like that. Use a low setting so that way it's not tight but not too tight. Plastic off, see how it has a nice clean look to it. Let's test it out, that way you can have an idea what it looks like. Now, let me get someone to come and help me to do the brake light.